How to fix Messenger unable to load photos and camera roll. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to try doing is simply move into the App Store on your device. Here in the search bar, search for Messenger, and then move into this application. Right here you can see the option of update, which means that your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you're facing this issue. So in this case, simply click on update and update the app. Most of the time, updating the application has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. But in case if you're still having the issue, then simply move into the settings of the device. Head over to General and then move into iPhone Storage. Search for the application Messenger and then click on it. Now you have to click on Offload app and then once again tap on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.